Swing of Tours here. I had my choice today to either go whale watching or rent a motorcycle, make it happen. So this is what the day would be. It was either a Harley or a Honda, and chose the Honda 500.